Hey everybody, how's it going? Everybody's getting ready for the holidays. Excuse me. So today I am unboxing our what I got from our Cyber Monday sale. So I've got a huge haul. So I've got this little box, and then I've got a bigger box. So first, hopefully you were able to take advantage of it, and that was a 48-hour flash sale, and that was on Cyber Monday. There's another flash sale coming this Monday, December 6th, with lots more stuff that you can get for people on your Christmas list. Now, I will tell you that, what was I going to say? The sale lasts 2 days. Oh, if you want your goodies by Christmas, you need to place your orders by December 15th. And I will be putting links in the description so you can shop and order and find out other things. So, what I got, one of the things I've been wanting was this, what they call Jupiter, Moon over Jupiter. And this was on sale. Ever since it came out in the catalog, I have coveted it. It's absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to show it to you. Alright. So this is, sorry for the glare, but there's the red spot, I guess, right here. It's absolutely beautiful. It's like in grays, and like I said, yeah, it's just gorgeous. And then let's put that back. I've always wanted it, and of course now I can't get it back in the box. Put it in there. Doesn't want to behave. Of course, nothing ever does on live TV or live streaming. And then the dish that comes with it is just a plain clear dish. And actually, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but in the dishes, it will give you a number. See a number 4? And that tells you how many cubes of wax that is optimal for the particular warmer. It's also on the warmers themselves. No, it's on the dish. That's right. It is on the dish. And then, sorry, trying to get this all back in the way it was, which is never easy to do. Okay, there we go. I'll put that aside for now. Also, what was in the sale, we had sugar scrubs on sale. So this one is Luna, which I got 2 of those. My daughter loves this Luna sugar scrub, so I got her one of those. And I was also able to pick up on sale the pineapple coconut vanilla sugar scrub. Sorry if that's backwards. And now we go to the big box. So I will open that over here. Also, I believe we had a sale on our NFL. Well, the mini warmers are $25. You see if your team is still available. And then we had a discount on the big ones. And I bleed blue. I am a Giants fan, even though we're in an abusive relationship right now. We also had Sven, I believe, was in the clearance section, in the sales section. And he's going to sit there for me. All right, big box. We had some great Scentsy Buddy sales in the flash sale, so I can only imagine what's going to be on sale starting tomorrow. Oh, and the NFL does have its own scent. NFL Gridiron. Oh, it smells delicious. So I picked up some. This is mostly Scentsy Buddies that I picked up. I did get Tweety Bird, and he scented in Vanilla Bean Buttercream. Let's see how cute he is. And these are Buddy Clips. These will go anywhere. Aren't they cute? Oh my God, he smells delicious. Because now Scentsy has a partnership or collaboration with Looney Tunes. So if you can imagine. And also with Disney. So we have Jack Skellington stuff. So I have the Mayor Buddy Clip. He's scented in Halloween Town. That smells good. All right, get in there, Mr. Mayor. And these make great stocking stuffers. Great stocking stuffers. Then I was able to get... Now, since we just did start the Looney Tunes, I was able to get... I'm old, so I grew up with Looney Tunes on Saturday morning cartoons. So he's not going to come out of here very well, is he? I have Sylvester. And yeah, this is all backwards where it shouldn't be, but cute. So we'll take Sylvester out. And hopefully they're still available. If you check my website, they may still be available. I got this in a bundle. So there's Sylvester. There he is. Oh, I love Sylvester. And let's see. Of course, we have Mickey. There's another edition of Mickey now. So we'll stick Sylvester up here. All right, buddy. Okay. Who else did I get? Came in the bundle. Not that one. Ah! Daffy Duck. He was part of the bundle. It was a 3 Scentsy bundle, Looney Tunes bundle. So we got Daffy. So let's get Daffy out here. Ah! Oh, this brings back memories. Oh my God, there's Daffy. There's Daffy Duck. His little, you put your little Scentsy pack in here so he'll smell good. And they came with their own scents as well. Hey, Daffy. We'll put Daffy up here. Okay, and of course, what is Looney Tunes without bugs? You have to have bugs. So, Bugsy Bunny. We are going to take him out of the box. Oh my God! Look at him! Oh my God, he's so cute! And his little ears. Oh my goodness. So cute. All right, Bugs. Get up there. And they came with their own scent packs. Where are they? The Looney Tunes scent pack. So these scent packs, they smell good. Goes in their little pouches. So I'll show you how that works. So we're going to unpack this. Maybe. Let's use the scissors. Makes life a lot easier. There we go. Trash. That smells good. All right, so you unzip their little pouch back here. And then you stuff this in there. And then you zip them back up. Maybe. Let me get them in there a little better. There we go. Zip them back up. And there they are. Smells good. It's like an orangey smell. So this was a bundle that was on our Cyber Monday sale. Oh, and I think it was still available the other day. So if you want to go look, check out, like I said, I'll put the description of my website there. So all these three guys came with their own scent packs in Looney Tunes scent. So I had to get this, of course. You know, Looney Tunes is just a must-have. There's another, thankful to our collaboration with Disney, we also have the Beast. And I will take him out. This is actually for my daughter. She loved Beauty and the Beast when she was little. And so look at him. Oh my Lanta. Look at him. He is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And he has his own scent pack. The Last Petal. So he comes with his own scent pack, which I will put in the box for her. Put him back in his box. And what's really cool about these boxes too is that they have like handles. If you can see here, these pop out. They're like perforated. Of course, he's stuffed in there now, so he won't pop out. So you can create handles. Here we go. Sorry you can't see. This computer really isn't. So you can create a handle. You pop it up. And I'll pop up the other side. Just broke it now. So you have a little handle here. You can carry them, or kids can carry them. And what else did I get? Oh yes. We are big on Nightmare Before Christmas. All kinds of stuff. So I was able to pick this up on our sale. And this is the Nightmare Before Christmas Lock, Shock, and Barrel Mini Warmer. So I'll show you that. And so when you open the box, this is what you see. And this box is really cool. I mean, Jack Skellington is just amazing. And so you have this that sits on top of the mini warmer. And then the mini warmer itself is so cool. And it feels like rough ceramic. And then you put your bulb in the bottom. And then these guys sit on top of there. So let's see. Woo! It's kind of off kilter there. See if I can get them on there. Oh yeah. Okay. Oops. So they have little covers on the holes. So these guys will sit in there. I don't want to uncover it right now, but those guys will sit right on top of there. Okay. So we'll put this back. And I think I have one more in this big box as far as Jack Skellington, which if my daughter's watching this right now, she's probably screaming her head off because I didn't tell her about this. So Happy Christmas. Since Hanukkah's over, we're getting into Christmas. Get in there, you. All right. Okay. That's trash. Yep, last one. Jack Skellington. 0. Nightmare Before Christmas. And 0 also comes with his own Scentsy pack, Jack's Obsession, which is amazing. And here he is. Here is 0. Is he not cute? And actually, you'll have this little thing here. And his nose is supposed to light up. I'm going to have to search that. But there's 0. Is he not cute? Okay. There's something, I don't know. His nose was supposed to light up somehow, but I don't know. It's not working, but that's okay. He's got his little cape, and he's so soft. I'll have to look that up and see how what we do with the nose. So put 0 back in his box with his little scent pack. And that's it. That's what I've gotten from our haul. I'll be posting information about our 48-hour flash sale starting tomorrow, and posting some pictures. The December whiff box I have a picture of. I will be posting that. I'm going to put kind of everything in one big post, and links to the different pages, my Facebook groups, my community private group. If you want to know about things in advance, that is also under there. So everybody have a great Sunday, and hopefully I will see you soon. Bye-bye.